You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. You see, Bitcoin is at 19.9k level at this very area, and on the 4-hour chart, I've been talking about markets coming down, and I said take a short position after the close of this candle in my immediate past video, and you see market come back right down as predicted. So what are we expecting right now as you see the markets move to the downside on the immediate short term and also on the long term? All of these and more in today's video. Watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video on the 1-day chart BTC USDT. You see, after this formation of this candle, this is a bearish engulfing pattern and market is coming to the downside. Remember, I've been talking about markets coming down on this very channel when I saw this very move to the upside, and I said this very move lack momentum and we see a higher high than the previous high at this very point. But for the fact that it lacks momentum to the upside, it means that the bulls are losing strength and the bear will take control of the market. That is why I started talking about markets coming back down from this very area. And if you've been following this analysis, congratulations, you should be making more money right now. And if you look at this very area, see markets come back down, and I am expecting market to head into this very level of support. That is my prediction. And you can see right here, market is approaching this level. So on the long term, expect the market to still continue into this level of support. And once markets come into this level of support, I'm expecting a bounce from this area to the upside. Once that bounce happens, then we could define the next phase of the market moving either to the upside or coming back down again. But expect the market to move down. And as market is moving back to the downside, if we see a breakout here on the support level here, the market is going to come back right down. On the BTC USDT 4-hour chart, you see, in my immediate last video, I talk about markets breaking this level of support. And if you look at this very candle form a close that is lower than every other close within this area, and I say take a short position at this very point. If you take that short position, you should be in profit by now. Congratulations. And right now market is coming back to the downside. What are we expecting? If you did not take a short position either here or at this very point, don't take a short position where the market is now again, because markets have probability of retracing back to the upside before continuation. So what I'm expecting right now on the 4-hour chart is a little bit of move to the downside before the retracement into the market to retest on this very level of support right at this very area before the market will continue back down into this level of support. So right now expect retracement in the market. Market can come back down a little bit before retracement, then continuation to the downside. This is what I am paying attention to right now on the immediate short term on BTC USDT 4-hour chart. I'm not going to talk about Ethereum today, so this is what I'm paying attention to right now. What do you think about the market on the 1-day chart Bitcoin? Do you think this analysis market coming back down is going to play out? Comment below in the comment section, or you have a contrary opinion, comment below in the comment section as well. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not enrolled for the Remit Trade intensive cryptocurrency course and mentorship program and learn how to do simple technical analysis, check the description of this video, see a contact, you reach out to me and get trade. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.